Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can enable wishlist functionality in your WooCommerce website. So first of all, you can go here in plugin sections and install a new plugin. Let me scroll down and here you can find out add plugin. Then here you can see the search box. You can type shop lender. So this is a WordPress plugin that you can use for your WooCommerce website based on WordPress platform. And after installing this plugin, you can go back to the plugin settings. Then click on modules, scroll down, and here you can enable this feature, wishlist. Click on settings. And after that, here you can limit the users. So after that, click on button settings. Here you can enable. Then you can display the button on single product page also. After that, you can select the button position before add to cart, after add to cart. So you can keep these options as it is. Then table settings. So this one is the shortcut for the table. You can add on any page. So for example, let me copy this shortcode and create a new page. Type the page name wishlist. Then here we can add shortcode and here you can select the template. Then click on publish. So now there no product will be visible as we need to add some product in wishlist. So let's see how it works. After that, go to style settings and here you can customize the button style. Then click on save settings. So now let's see if I go to shop page and here you can see wishlist icon is added. So now let's see if I click here and now let me view this wishlist page. Now here you can see one product is available on wishlist page.